What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Toyota remote key fob. So this key fob is going to be for the Toyota vehicles that do not have a push button start ignition, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing we're going to be using is a small flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our fob and we hold it with the buttons facing down and the logo on the back's facing up, and then we take a look down near this metal key ring on the bottom, if you notice on this back cover there's a little bit of a notch right here. That will allow you to get a screwdriver or something similar in there and pry up on that back cover. Then once you get the plastic back cover off, we see this other little orange rubber piece right here, and this will just pull off of here like that. And now we can see our battery right there. And if you notice there's a little notch cut out right here. You can get a screwdriver or something similar in there. Get under the edge of the battery, get it out. Then we'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. And then that one edge kind of tucks in there first, and then it'll snap into place. Put that rubber piece back on there. We can snap the back cover on. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.